we have now fitted the Quicksilver system. That was the system that came off. This is the system that's on. This is a prototype system, so your system when it comes out of the box might have some slight variations. This is the first system. This is on M4 Comp convertible, so it fits the convertible and the saloon car or the coupe.
M3s as well.
M3s as well? Yeah. Oh well, what do you know? Utility system. But this system uses, as most of our modern systems do, a sound architect valve technology. This module goes into the car. It plugs into a 12-volt socket. And then you can pair it with your smart device, and basically you can control it with your phone, so you can be inside or outside the car and you can remotely control the valves. And there's 2 valves on this system, and you can go from loud to less loud at the touch of a button. This particular car has also our OPF delete pipes, which you can see right there. So this, straight from the primary cats are up there, you have your secondary cats will be here, and your OPF parts there. So this deletes secondary cats and OPFs. From here back, this is a second product which you can get from us as well. The links are below. This system works with every competition, so you don't have to change anything. We offer another system which is like an upgrade to the performance look with a V configuration, but this one just fits with the 2 tips either side, so the quad sort of outlook there. You've got the mirror transverse box here, which looks absolutely amazing from the rear of the car. That's the original. And you see the size of that rear silencer compared to our rear silencer. So we're expecting something quite tremendous when we start this up. BMW M4 Comp with a Quicksilver exhaust system on it. The full system from the headers back, not from the headers back, from the primary cats back. Let us know what you think. It sounds, as Ben would say, outrageous.